You might be considering getting into real estate flipping and whether or not it's important to get your real estate license or should you just partner with a realtor. So I've decided to help you out with a list of pros and cons. Hi, I'm Maureen, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte here in beautiful Charlotte, North Carolina. And we're going to talk about should you get your license if you're going to be a flipper. So let's start with the pros. If you decide to get your license in North Carolina, you have to hold your license for a minimum of 2 years before you can have your own brokerage and work independently. And with that comes some protection and some help if you are new and need a lot of hand-holding. Brokers are responsible for the realtors that work for them, and they have a vested interest in making sure that you are successful. And they also have a vested interest in making sure you stay out of trouble. Most offer free training regarding the real estate process. Second, when you have a license and you represent yourself, you are able to reduce your commission or waive the bulk of it to make your offers more appealing. Now you have to go by your brokerage's rules, so you can't just make it up if you work for somebody else, but you can do that. Third, you can also make negotiations easier because you know exactly what your top and bottom dollar line is, and you can help build rapport with the selling agent according to that. Besides that, you can list your own finished product and only have to pay a buyer agent instead of paying both the selling and the buyer agent. Most importantly, you will have the knowledge to navigate the real estate transaction and property management if you just have interest in that. And it won't be dependent on someone else's availability or schedule, or quite frankly, maybe their lack of knowledge. You will also have the ability to sell for others for residual income on the side. So let's discuss some of the cons now. First of all, the cost to get your license in North Carolina and start working is around $3,000 up front. Classes run around $500, and you have to pay for your background test and get fingerprinted and apply with the North Carolina Real Estate Commission. Then you have to pay for and pass the test, which a lot of times people fail their first time. But then you have to get signed up and pay for MLS fees. You have to join the National Association of Realtors, which is also a fee. And those are yearly fees. They don't just come one time up front. Next, you need to pick a brokerage and paying their monthly fee if they have one. And as you can see, it's quite an investment. Another con is that just because you pass a test doesn't mean you have any skills to do the job. The state test is largely legal information and doesn't give you real-world working knowledge of the industry. It may take you a couple of years and multiple deals before you feel confident on going solo. You also have to budget for out-of-pocket expenses for everything that you need for your business. Marketing signs, key boxes, printed material, the list goes on and on. Everything you do regarding your real estate practice is out of your own pocket. In the grand scheme of things, most investors are better off sticking with one or the other and finding a good realtor, qualified real estate agent that they can add to their team of professionals. That's our area of expertise, and we are glad to put it to work for our investors. Our goal is to help our clients make investments that grow their real estate portfolio long term, or flip homes on the short. If you would like some more information on real estate investing or real estate licensing, or you're interested in looking into joining our team, click on the link for more information or follow us on my YouTube channel, Sell Your Home Charlotte. Thanks again for listening, and I'm Maureen, broker owner of Sell Your Home Charlotte, and remember, nobody sells Charlotte like we do.